स्टार्ट.
आज इयत्ता 10वी विषय गणित भाग 2 मॅथ्स पार्ट 2 मध्ये थर्ड चॅप्टर सर्कल प्रॅक्टिस 3.2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. In the figure 3.27, the circle with centers P and Q touch each other at R. A line passing through R meets the circles at A and B. The line passing through touching point R meet at point A and B respectively. Then prove that sec AP is parallel to sec BQ. AP parallel to sec BQ. Second, triangle APR similar triangle RQB. And third, find angle RQB if angle PAR 35. तो या ठिकाणी तीन तुम्हाला दिलेले स्टेटमेंट प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी. आता कसं प्रूव्ह करायचं पहा. हाउ टू प्रूव्ह इट. Answer. Number 1, sec AP parallel sec BQ. In this circle with center P, PA and PR radii of same circle. Therefore, triangle APR is isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle PAR equal to angle PRA, isosceles triangle theorem. In circle with center Q, here also QR and QB are radii of the circle center Q. By isosceles triangle theorem, QRP congruent angle QBR. Now here angle A congruent with angle PRA, angle QRB congruent with angle B, and here two angles vertically opposite, therefore they are also congruent. Therefore angle A congruent angle B. Radii of same circle. Therefore, angle PAR congruent with angle PRA isosceles triangle theorem. This is number 1. Now, in triangle RQB or BQR, sec QR congruent with sec BQ or QB, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle QBR congruent with angle QRB. Isosceles triangle theorem. Number 2. Number 2. Now here line AB and line PQ intersect in point R. Therefore angle ARB congruent angle QRB vertically opposite angles. Angle PRA congruent with angle QRB vertically opposite angles. Number 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3 angle A congruent angle B. Therefore angle PAR congruent angle QRB from 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 पूर्ण आपल्याला हा अँगल PAR कॉम्पोनंट अँगल QRB PAR and QBR that is angle PAB congruent with angle PAB QBA reason we आपल्याला they are collinear. That is angle PR means angle PAB. Angle is same, but names are different. R in between A and B. Now, angle PAB and angle QBA, these are alternate angles. Therefore, seg AB and seg BQ are parallel by alternate angle test. Therefore, seg AP parallel seg BQ. Result alternate angle test, alternate angles test of parallel lines. In this way, we can prove first side AP parallel side BQ. Now we see second proof. Second, triangle APR congruent triangle RQB. In triangle APR and triangle RQB, angle PAR, congruent angle QBR, from now we take here statement number 4 from 4. But angle BRQ and QBR are equal from 2. But angle QBR congruent angle QRB from 3. Therefore, angle PAR congruent QRB, angle QRB from 4, and now we take here 5. Statement 5. 4 and 5. या दोघांवरून आपल्याला PAR आणि QRB हे दाखवतात येते. आता याला एक अँगल या दोघांमध्ये these are vertically opposite and in statement 3 PRA angle PRA congruent with angle QRB from 3 but angle QRB congruent with angle QBR from 2. Now here PRA equal to QRB, from 3 vertically opposite angles, but these two angles are QRB and QBR are equal from 4. Therefore, angle PR congruent angle QBR from 4. Therefore, angle PAR equal to angle QBR equal to 35 degree. दोन्ही अँगलचं मेजर जे आहे PAR चं आणि QBR चं ते किती मिळेल आपल्याला 35 राहिला आता QRB. अँगल QRB आणि particularly आपण PRA and QRB. Here also these two angles are congruent because it is the isosceles triangle. Therefore, here also we can write as angle QRB equal to 35 degree. That is PAR angle 35 is given, QBR 35 and QRB also 35 degree. In triangle, now in triangle QRB angle RQB plus angle QRB plus angle QBR. In triangle QRB, angle RQB plus angle RQB plus angle QRB plus angle QBR equal to 180 degree. Result we have the sum of all angles. The sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. The result we have put the values of angles RQB. जर काढायचं आपल्याला QRB किती येतं QRB 35 degree plus QBR 35 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle RQB equal plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle RQD equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, and therefore angle RQD 110 degree. And it's the answer. म्हणजे RQB चा अँगल आपल्याला मिळेल 110 degree. Example number 5. It is a star. Star means it is hard example. म्हणजे थोडंसं काठीने बघा या ठिकाणी वाढवलेले आहे म्हणून हे स्टार दिलेले आहेत. पहा जे स्टार केलेले जे क्वेश्चन्स असतात ते काठीने पातळी थोडीशी जास्त असते हे लक्षात ठेवा. आता याच्यामध्ये बघा in figure 3.28 the circles with centers A and B touch each other at A line L is a common tangent which touches the circles at C and D respectively. Find the length of seg CD. Find the length of seg CD if the radii of the circles are 4 cm and 6 cm. That is, the radius of smaller circle is 4 cm and radius of larger circle is 6 cm. Answer. Draw AC, radius AC. You take set square with the help of set square. Draw seg AC, means tangent is perpendicular to radius by dotted line. Here also draw seg BD by dotted line and draw seg AB, which is passes through point of contact. Here tangent is perpendicular to radius, therefore these angles each has measured 90 degree. In the figure, draw seg CA, seg BD and seg AB. Now these two angles are 90 degree. Therefore, seg CA perpendicular line L and seg BD perpendicular line L. Tangent theorem. Therefore, these angles are 90 degree, 90 degree. Now, draw line AM parallel line CD or line L. Here M. Line AM parallel to line L and transversal DM, then angle DMA is 90 degree interior angles. Angle CDM plus angle DMA equal to 180 degree interior angles. Therefore, 90 degree plus angle DMA equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DMA equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Angle DMA equal to 90 degree. DMA equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle CAM equal to 90 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral CAMD becomes rectangle. In quadrilateral ACDM, angle CDM plus angle DMA equal to angle DMA equal to angle CAM equal to angle CDM DCA equal to 90 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral ACDM is a rectangle. आता हा रेक्टेंगल दाखवून घ्यायचा आहे आपण. आता रेक्टेंगल झाल्यामुळं या ठिकाणी ट्रायंगल AMB हा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल तैयार होगा. रेडियस with circle A is 4, here also 4. Radius of larger circle 6 centimeter. Here DM is 2 because opposite sides of rectangle are congruent or equal. Therefore, CA equal to 4, DM equal to 4. That is 6 minus 4 equal to 2. DM 2. Here radius 6. Now we write here DM plus MB equal to DB. Now first we write AC equal to 4 and AE also 4. Given BD equal to BE equal to 6 is also given. Therefore, MB equal to BD minus DM. Reason we have B dash M dash B means M in between D and B equal to BD is 6 minus DM DM 4 because C equal to DM. CA equal to DM. Opposite sides. sides of rectangle. So MB equal to 2. Now in a right angle rectangle, right angle the triangle AMB, angle M 90 degree, therefore M square plus MB square equal to AB square. AM square plus MB square equal to hypotenuse is AB. या पद्धतीनं पाचवा क्वेश्चन हा आपण पूर्ण सोडवलेला आहे. आता पाठीमागच्या भागामध्ये आणि ह्या भागामध्ये दोन्ही भागामध्ये मिळून हा जो प्रॅक्टिस सेट आहे 3.2 हा कंप्लीट झालेला आहे. आता पुढच्या भागामध्ये आपण सर्कलचा दुसरा पार्ट पाहणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये आर्क ऑफ द सर्कल, सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल, सेंट्रल अँगल, सेगमेंट ऑफ द सर्कल हे पुढच्या भागामध्ये पाहणार आहोत. धन्यवाद.